we'll guide you through how to log in to your Wix account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website using your preferred web browser on your desktop. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the homepage and you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the login page. If you already have a Wix account, you can enter your email address in the email field and then type your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the blue Login button. If you're using a public or shared computer, you might want to avoid selecting the Keep Me Signed In option for security reasons. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. You'll be prompted to enter your email address so Wix can send you instructions to reset your password. If you prefer, you can also log in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account by clicking on the respective icons below the email login fields. This can be handy if you want a quicker login without remembering another password. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard where you can manage your websites, check your account settings, and access any other services Wix provides. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.